Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there, guys. There's never a dull moment in crypto, that is for sure. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, yes, I'm coming to you from my kitchen. I just didn't get enough time to do one today at the office. Now guys, interesting stuff about Ripple and XRP, of course, this whole buyback argument, whatever's going on there. I actually haven't even been paying that much attention, but interesting stuff from David Schwartz. So we're going to get into that today. We've got Ethereum stuff with Visa, which is huge. ARK Invest prediction with Bitcoin going to $1.4 million. I'm going to go through some AI tokens, which I personally do hold and which are pumping at the moment. And of course, some updates with Shiba Inu. There's a whole range of stuff to get through. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Let's get straight into it, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing, with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along on this incredible journey. We're just getting started in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good thumbs up down there. Smash it. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto. So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for education or entertainment purposes only. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way, and you're probably going to be seeing my dog walking around in the background, but anyway, it doesn't matter. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to open this up big, and I don't know why, for some stupid reason, I can't open the community tab up on the iPad app, which is weird. But anyway, this is crazy, all right? The 3rd of January, 2016, all right? The prices of Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum just blowing everyone's mind right now, all right? This is no BS. You can go on CoinMarketCap and look it up yourself. Look at the price of Ethereum in US dollars, 97 cents. 97 cents. This coin at the moment, in actual fact, I believe today in US dollars, let's just have a quick look at it, guys. I just want to freak out for a moment, all right? Ethereum's at 2,427 Australian dollars. $2,400. Ethereum's at $1,638. Had you invested $5,000 in 2016 into Ethereum, that would now be worth $12 million plus. XRP in 2016 was priced at under a cent, and Bitcoin was $430. So all of the people out there that are putting so much FUD into crypto need to realize that this is only a growing asset class. We are very, very early still. When the next bull market happens, probably it's already started. The accumulation phase has started. When the next bull market full-blown swings in 2025, guys, it's going to go up to another level altogether. It just is incredible to see that. And again, Ripple did flip Bitcoin in 2017 on the 30th of December. You can go look this up. It actually happened. Ripple flipped Bitcoin by market cap. It will happen again. And this is what I just don't understand, people, and why they hate so much on it. Gosh, anyway, it's just crazy. And look, Ethereum's was $700 back then. Absolutely wild. Now, guys, the altcoins up in my portfolio today, of course, were Alliance Block, which was just freaking ridiculous at 108% today. Ubix Network, The Graph, Anchor Protocol, and XPR Proton. Very interesting project, I should say. And obviously, XPR Proton works with usernames, which again is incredible. I think it's a lot better than, quite frankly, than crypto wallet addresses, because we all get them wrong. We all do. Now, let's go to Coinspot here, guys. And yes, I've got to get it up on my Safari here. But guys, there is a referral link below. Please feel free to use that. You will get $10 in the OG coin right there. This thing's going to go parabolic. It will go to $1 million in my opinion. Now looking at the history of it back then. Anyway, Use the referral link if you wish. You will get $10 in that. And again, all the prices you see here are in Australian dollars. You've got Bitcoin sitting at $33,000, which is really insane. Ethereum's at 2,400. I'm just curious, did anyone actually buy that at 90 cents? Can you let me know in the comments below? Because that's just freaking mind-blowing. Again, 2,400. Ripple and XRP, basically I should say just XRP, 58 cents. Cardano's at 57. You got Solana at $34. Shiba Inu's down 3.82%. I'm still holding that as well. Link's at $10 as well. Aptos 22. I am trading that in the Patreon. Link is below. Join up. You'll see all of the information. XLM is at 13 cents as well. Moving down, you got ALGO at 40 cents. Hedera's at 10 cents. VET is at 3 cents. Quant is at 202. ICP is a new addition in my portfolio. I bought it. Again, I'm holding it. I put a small amount in it. Let's see where that goes. All right. Anyway, ICP is a new one in the portfolio. Moving down, you've got Axie Infinity sitting at $16 today, which is nice. Again, I'm still bullish on Axie, regardless of whether they cut those staking rewards. I mean, long term, I think play to earn is going to be awesome. Moving down, guys, to some other favorites. Of course, IOTA at 36 cents. Neo's at $13. DYDX, guys, is one that I am trading as well. So check it out in the Patreon. Now, of course, we've got my other favorites here. Casper's at 6 cents. And, of course, XDC, which is an absolute gem. 4 cents right there. That is definitely a sleeper. And of course, Gala, I do hold that as well. Now, moving on to crypto bubbles. Now, before I do that, guys, yes, I've got the Patreon linked below. All my buys, my sells, my trades, my crypto trading bots, strategies, ideas, information, news, and of course, more importantly, I haven't done one for a while, but my dividend investments, okay? I just put up all my dividend purchases, my incoming dividends, because cash flow is king. It is very important that people work on their size of their cash flow, all right? More important. Now, let's go to crypto bubbles on the day. And of course, we've got the AI tokens absolutely pumping today. And I'm going to get into those. Of course, there's AGIX right here. Singularity NET up 31%, 23% on the week, 891% on the month. That is just mind-blowing. 800% in 1 month. Gosh, I would have loved to have bought that back then. Anyway, the graph, I'm very bullish. I do hold the graph as well as a Singularity NET, up 30% today, which is nice. And of course, on the week, 88%, 171% on the month. AI tokens are flying at the moment. A lot of news coming out with Google as well. I'm going to get into that. You've got Render token up 13.4% again. I do not hold Render. I was going to trade this. And of course, Casper, which is nice to see that up 8.9%. But guys, we are still early. And this is what I want to point out. We look at these prices and these incredible, gains, which is great. AI is the new thing that's mooning at the moment. I think play to earn is going to come back. And of course, once the banking sector just absolutely goes parabolic with the whole merge to ISO 222 and the Ripple win against the SEC in the United States, things are going to get pretty crazy in this space. I can just feel it. I mean, look at this. It's incredible. Still incredible buying opportunities. Now, of course, we've got Ripple CTO, Mr. David Schwartz. In relation to the whole buyback thing, and I do apologize about, I don't know what the hell this thing is doing, but anyway, but the Ripple CTO has confirmed that the whole buyback is a scam. There's something going on with Val Hill Capital. I don't know. I personally would not be sending any of my cryptos anywhere for that matter at the moment. So there you go. But basically, a section of Ripple XRP community has long hoped for approval for tokens buyback proposal since 2021. But all that desire may now be a pipe dream, as the project's chief technology officer, CTO, put a nail in the coffin. And when asked about his comments on the matter, the CTO basically said it was ridiculous and directly called it a scam. So I haven't looked, this is what he said, I haven't looked at it closely, but what I have seen looks an awful lot like a scam to me. If we learned anything from 2012 to 2022, it is more than anyone promising high returns and a low risk is almost certainly going to rob you. I've been through it. It happens. Olympus DAO, many other projects as well, don't worry. But this response comes after Ripple's legal counsel had recently opined that the suggestion was impossible, and those who supported the proposal argue that XRP could become the world's reserve currency. It may. Never say never, and the buyback rate based on the supply potential held by governments could help the retail reclaim. While the legal opinion basically may have reflected some chance of approval. The public rebuttal from the development team may now mean there is no chance. Interesting. Anyway, we'll see where that goes. Never say never. Now, obviously, guys, I don't know why my thing's doing this at the moment. There we go. Now it's just adjusted itself. Thank you, Apple. Ripple shifts close to 400 million XRP. Here's what is happening right here. This is just getting bigger and bigger every single week. But prominent blockchain tracker Whale Alert obviously spreads words about transfers from two unidentified wallets that moved nearly 400 million XRP over the past 19 hours. Mind blown. And look at this. Whale Alert published the details of the two transactions, which moved 189 million and 205 million, worth $75 million and $81 million respectively. I'd like that in my XRP wallet. Please send that through. Now, there's some interesting stuff happening. There is another lawsuit against Ripple for XRP being an unregistered security. It's absolutely ridiculous. I saw this morning. I wasn't aware of it until today. But Johnny Deaton is coming to the rescue. And basically, he's pushing back against allegations made by an investor in a long-standing lawsuit against Ripple. And I wasn't too familiar with this lawsuit because I've been so familiar with the SEC one. But anyway, Deaton has come up with a motion to file an amicus brief in the Zakhanov versus Ripple case. And Vladi Zakhanov, right here, the lead plaintiff in the case, claims that Ripple sold XRP as an unregistered security and is asking the court to clarify a class of all XRP holders who purchased and now hold XRP who sold XRP at a loss. Anyway, the proposed class would include XRP holders worldwide, including all sales of XRP, including secondary sales and international sales in countries where the controversial token has been determined not to be a security. Deaton will argue that the court should not clarify the class due to the conflicts among XRP holders and because only a small number of XRP holders claim XRP as an unregistered security, while many XRP holders believe that it should be regulated as one. I don't know. Keep an eye on that, guys. Again, very annoying that there's another lawsuit now. Interesting stuff again. I mentioned this yesterday, but Visa push on Ethereum could boost the altcoin in this level. And Ethereum, I mean, I put $1,000 into Ethereum, and other than that, I've only pretty much used it for gas fees. Yeah, they're just ridiculous. Anyway, but according to CoinGecko data, Ethereum is the second most popular crypto in the market by value by $197 billion. And as a result, the Ethereum network became popular with DeFi, and the largest protocols were constructed on top of it, and it still is. And basically, this piqued interest from digital payments giant Visa, which recently announced its support for Ethereum as payment settlement method. There you go. Follow the money. That's what I'm doing. Moving on, guys, we've got Commodity Guru says cryptocurrencies may be facing their first real recession. It's not David Koch, by the way. That's a Sunrise presenter. I freaking hate that show. But anyway, as the cryptocurrency market begins to consolidate its bullish advances since the year's turn, senior commodity strategist Bloomberg Mike McGlone has shared his analysis in which he suggests the cryptocurrencies could be facing their first real recession. I don't think so. What do you think? Anyway, he's basically saying cryptos may be facing their first real recession, which typically means lower asset prices and higher volatility. The last significant US economic contraction, the financial crisis, led to the birth of Bitcoin, and possible coming of economic reset may mark similar milestones. I don't think so. Bitcoin was created to prevent these governments from doing this SHIT. Anyway, what else we got here, guys? ARK Invest basically predicting Bitcoin going to $1.48 million. That is a very specific number, and I agree with Kathy Woods. It will go to that. It is digital gold. It will happen. And AI tokens. Now, this is why it's pumping right here, but look at this. Ever since the launch of ChatGPT, tokens have been doing incredibly well in the market. This performance has continued despite the crypto market pullback, with AI tokens remaining green in a sea of red. And nevertheless, this performance may be the beginning of as institutional investors are throwing their hats in the ring with AI, artificial intelligence. And a recent JP Morgan survey had revealed that institutional investors are going big on AI technology. And the survey, which featured 835 institutional traders in 6 total global markets, showed a very clear interest from large investors when it comes to AI. Now, obviously, I've got this news article right here. And, Google is releasing another chat GPT competitor called Bard. I don't know, but they're releasing this as well and basically going to be taking on Microsoft-backed chat GPT. Whatever, man. I use them anyway for my e-commerce businesses and whatnot. It's incredible. Incredible. Let's go to cryptometer.io and see where the money has been flowing, ladies and gentlemen. We've got AGIX, Singularity NFT, XRP, which is nice to see that at number one. Beautiful. We've got here Render as well, Zcash, Bitcoin, of course, Shiba, and Hedera. Do not sleep on Hedera as well. And basically, do not miss this opportunity of a lifetime. That's all I'm going to say right here. And I just want to show you, there is a list down here somewhere, which I did pull up before, but basically here, these are the top gainers. You've got AGIX right here, the Graph, Magic, Unised, Leo, and Render tokens. So they are the ones to look at if you're looking to jump into some AI tokens. Now, let's go to Twitter. And my head's just got blown up there. That is absolutely hilarious. I don't know why. Let me bring this back to photo. How about that? There you go. Sure you didn't want to see it that close. Anyway, the Wall Street Bull, always go follow me on Twitter, ladies and gentlemen. When I hit 100,000 subs, I will give one of these away on air, live. Now, case closed. Ripple did flip Bitcoin. It will do it again. Believe me, I just think if this case is over and done, full adoption, this will take a few years, but it can happen. Anything's possible. Look at the price of Bitcoin and XRP. Crazy. And yes, I only just realized that actually happened. Yes, of course it did. Now, Australia and the UK share their big picture for crypto. Australia's going to get some serious regulations coming in this year, which is going to be awesome. Google to launch ChatGPT AI rival Bard. In coming weeks, Google is a monster. They're an incredible company with incredible technology. They need to get rid of the bots in the comments of my YouTube videos. How nice would that be with YouTube with no scam and spam bots? It would be beautiful. Now, obviously, guys, some updates here as well in the library case. It's still going, but the SEC is seeking a disgorgement right here, damages against library. This is the total of the LBC token sales minus the legitimate business expenses. Okay, and LBC holders will end up with a pack of gum and a paperclip in the end. So the SEC is trying to clean them out, finish them off, which is incredible. They just don't want to piss off and leave crypto companies to be innovative and move technology. Anyway, moving on, crypto exchange Binance is suspending US dollar-backed transfers starting on Wednesday. Very interesting. And yes, us Aussies got the interest rate rise, another 25 basis points, I should say, just to hurt us even more. So there is our Reserve Bank governor here, Mr. Philip Lowe. Thank you, mate. Appreciate it. 64% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, near all-time high as per CNBC, which is crazy. And Ripple's an investment contract requires post-sale obligations argument is front and center in another SEC action right here. Hopefully the blue sky law argument, Ripple becomes a tsunami. Interesting right here. Go and have a look at this as well. And the central banks have the problem of the XRP army has a solution. Absolute facts. There's a lot of debt in the world, guys. A recession is incoming right here. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you this because this is crazy. And I mean, Jim Cramer again says a recession will happen no matter what. I will agree with him on this. I believe a recession will happen. It will happen, but we'll see how long it lasts. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is no BS. This is actually a land tax notice from the Victorian government in Australia, where I'm from. And this is no BS, but look at that. $149,000. And people say real estate is a good investment. No, not anymore. And I've been in this property game for 13 years in my business as well. Obviously, my colleagues have been a lot longer than me, probably 30, 40 years now. But in saying this, people need to understand one thing about real estate. First and foremost, government taxes, land tax, capital gains tax. You've got to pay maintenance. You've got to find tenants, real estate agents. It's a freaking nightmare. It's an absolute nightmare. All right, and that's the honest truth. It's not what it was 20 years ago or 30 years ago. Forget it. Those days are absolutely gone. This government and governments around the world, this is the kind of stuff they're doing to real estate investors. Let that one sink in for a moment. That's real. Absolutely real. And I think it's a joke. And they literally do nothing for that money. Nothing. It's unbelievable. So this is why I'm so bullish on crypto and dividend investing, because it's real money that you control. I mean, of course, everyone needs a house to live in, but this is out of control for if you're a property investor, guys. I don't want to even know how much people are paying in this stuff. It's just ridiculous. Anyway, that is pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen, for the Twitter. Let's go to CoinMarketCap right here. I'm going to blow this up. And again, the top gainers in my portfolio, of course, the Alliance Block up 78%, the Graph, AGIX, Anchor, Coin, Ubix, Reserve Rights, Casper, Rose, Ravane, XYOVRA, and Acro. Where my money's going, ladies and gentlemen, after witnessing what I witnessed in the price history right there, is here. Ethereum, XRP, ADA, AVAX, Chainlink, XLM, Algorand, Hedera, Quant, IOTA, Casper, XDC, LCX, and of course Alliance Block, which I do hold, and it's frozen at the moment, so we'll see what happens with that. But ladies and gentlemen, that's where my money's gone, because again, XRP going from under a penny to 39 cents. That's absolutely mind-blowing. And Ethereum basically going from 99 cents to 2,400 Australian dollars and 1,600 US. Mind blown. Anyway, that is it, ladies and gentlemen, for the video today. Make sure you follow me on social media and join the Patreon page. Very bullish, all right? Stay safe. I'll speak to you all tomorrow. Peace out. Bye.